Hello friends, how are you all? Today, I have brought an amazing SMM panel for you that will make you super happy. On vwiz.com, you get the cheapest and fastest social media services. Here, you can purchase services for Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and other platforms. The best part? As soon as you place an order, it starts instantly. And since this is a new panel, you'll get all the services at the most affordable prices. All you have to do is search vwiz.com on Google. You can also find the link in the description or the comment section. Once you visit the site, you'll see a simple and easy-to-use interface. You can find a variety of services here, whether it's Instagram likes, followers, YouTube views, or Facebook engagement. To add funds, simply click on the Add Funds option on the site. You can scan the QR code to make the payment. After completing the payment, just send the screenshot, and your funds will be added instantly. Now it's time to place an order. Go to the New Order section, select your desired service, enter the quantity, and paste your social media link. After that, click on Create Order, and your order will be placed. If you want to check whether your order is complete or still in process, just go to the My Orders section. There, you can see the status of your order, whether it's completed or processing. vwiz.com offers you excellent services at the most affordable prices. I have personally used this panel many times, and my experience has been fantastic. So, what are you waiting for? Visit vwiz.com today and take your social media presence to the next level. If you face any issues, the support team is always ready to assist you. Thank you so much for watching. Join vwiz and make your social media journey smoother and more successful.